Natalie Ross, and I'll be giving a speech on sailing for beginners. It's an informative speech. So, by a show of hands, who has ever been on a sailboat before? Alright. How many of you thought about sailing on a boat? Great! Well, you are in luck because I am going to share the importance of boat safety, the different parts of a boat, and how to rig a boat. I first learned how to sail at the age of 9. My father taught me at a sailing camp, and there I learned the basic sailing skills, and I have been racing sailboats for 10 years now, and I've been instructing at numerous yacht clubs for sailing camps. First, we will go over boat safety. The safety on sailboat involves using the proper equipment and gear rightfully, and to check your surroundings. First importance of sailing is to check the weather forecast for the day you are sailing. You do not want to go in unsafe conditions with a thunderstorm or while it's lightning, and you don't want to go when there's no wind because then you can't sail. Alright, now while you're sailing, it is important to be wearing a life jacket because worst case scenario, you may fall out of a boat and you do not want to drown. Always check the condition of your boat. Check the rigging to make sure that the mast will not fall down. Also, make sure there are no holes in your boat. You don't want to sink your boat. And bring and double check your safety equipment for your boat. It's important to bring a flare gun in case of emergency to flare down something in case of emergency. Now that we have talked about boat safety, I will go over the most single important part of sailing, which is the terminology. Alright, the bow is the front side of the boat, and then the stern is the back side of the boat. And there's port and starboard. Port is your left side, and starboard is your right side. Now we're going to discuss the terminology of the sail. Now the bigger part is called the mainsail, and the smaller sail area is the jib. And the main sheet is used for the mainsail, which is just the rope to loosen or tighten your mainsail. And the jib sheet is the jib line to the jib sail to loosen or tighten your sail. Finally, we will go over the parts within the boat. The rudder, which is located at the stern, enables the boat to steer. The tiller is an extension from the rudder to help steer the boat from a better distance. The center board is located in the center of the boat, used to help steer the boat in a straight line. And the boom is connected to the mast and is held up by the mainsail. And the mast, which is placed in the center of the boat, which holds up the sails. Now that we have covered the boat parts, I will be showing how to rig a boat. First, you're going to tie a bowline knot to the head of the sail. You're going to raise the sail by pulling on the line, cleat off the line, and then thread the outhaul line and cleat it off. For the jib, you're going to clip in the head sail and raise the sail with the line and cleat it off. Then tie it with the figure 8 knot and the pulley for the jib and jib sheets on both sides. Okay, well now that you've learned the essentials of sailing, not only did you guys know about boat safety and gone over the parts of the boats and how to rig a boat, hopefully you guys will take this information and try to go out and sail your own boat. And if you ever need help, you can call me or not. Stay tuned for my next speech, which I'm not doing. So there we go.